Heidi ho, let's take a bit different for you today. This is for one of my subscribers, Bear, a good friend of mine now, and he just wants to know how you go from a size, I don't know, whatever, large size, and he wants me to see if I can go to a size 9, which is about there. So yeah, okay Bear, let's give it a go, mate. I mean, I do this all the time, but let's just concentrate on this one. Oh la la! Ouch! That bit me. I love the smell of burning hair. Okay. You just warm it up a bit and needle it. Give it a bit of the old quenchy. Right. So this is a size 11 or just over. So I could use a Swedish wrap, but I think I could use my reducing dies. And these are like cone shaped. These are similar to my 17-degree folding dies. So we find one. Now that's a little bit too much. So there you've got about 3 mil, 4 mil sticking out. Good start. A little bit of jollop on there. I think it's, was it this one? No, this one. Right. Yeah, thanks for your comments, Bear. You see it's a bit cone shaped now the other way. So you want to put it in the other way around. And you just keep doing this. You want to make sure it's level. Vivi, what are you doing? Vivi. My pussycat's just arrived. I know. It's a busy day, isn't it, Vivi? Wow, what size we got now? 10, nearly 10 and a half. There's a bit of a lip in there. Because as you keep reducing it, it keeps folding over this lip, which I already cut out. Right, so I go back over, and there's still a little bit left. I mean, if you'd have wanted to go to a size, I don't know, 6 or something, Bear, I'd have used the Swedish wrap for you. But luckily you didn't. Because you know I love the Swedish wraps. I'm getting better at it though, so, you know, it's cool. A bit more. Still a bit. That's looking a bit better. You want a size 9. I have to put it up because I can't see jack. Right, still 10 and just over 10. Let's go all the way with this then, both sides. Turn it over. All the way. Now I'm going to have to cut that lip out again. What size we've got now? 9, 9.5. But that lips back, so we want to cut it out. I'll give it a bit more love, I think, with Bernie. Right. Let's dry it off again. This will have a little bit of the fat tire look to it as well. Some people like, I don't like it, but some people do. Let's go back over to spike again, bottom end. I'll just make sure that we got that all the way through. Right, let's check the size. You always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but same thing. Just over 10.5. So now, Beer, we can go into this next one. And you carry on doing the same. Both sides. If you don't do both sides, it's going to be more cone-shaped on one side than the other. I hope this is what you was talking about, mate. I think it is. Nine, just over, nearly 9.25. But the lips back, so let's cut that out. But as you keep folding, as you keep reducing it, it's pushing this side in. Not this side, but this reeded side. Because that's the thickest part of the coin. So this should now be slightly larger. This is now a size, yeah, it's over 9.25. I don't think we need to heat it up anymore. So I give it a couple of slight tugs. If I go too far, I'll just put it on spike and open it up again. There you go, that's now a little bit smaller than 9. So now I can go over to spike that we all love, and you just drop it on. You don't have to even hardly move it really, it's just, there's nothing in it really. What we got? There you go. Size 9. In fact, it's a little bit bigger than size 9. So I'll just nip it back over again. And that's how you do it. Beer. I don't think I've done anything there. You'd be surprised, you think it's not moving at all. There you go. Size 9. So I hope that answers your question, Gary, or Gary, Beer. And this next little video I'm going to do is going to be for Joseph. How to straighten up a wobbly ring. Thanks a lot.